for like 10, 15 points.
Good morning, ladies.
Yeah,
Good morning,
everybody.
ladies. Al, can you go out just for a second? I just need to do a quick test on my camera. Go out, count to 30, and come back in.
Okay, chop. Alrighty, let's begin. Whoops. News 10. News at 10. Alright, let's go. Where are we here? Equal lows, 15 minutes for bearish for value gaps. Alright, hopefully 10 a.m. will deliver. We'll have a manipulation, some sort, SMT, and it'll help us deliver lower. That's what I would like to see. Alright, no trades till 9:45 for me. Take a look here, see what he wants to do. You're all set?
Yeah. We were making fun of you that you count really slow.
Oh, I'll give you extra time in case you needed it. You know, when people say, oh, I'll be back in 5 seconds, and they take like a couple of minutes, you know?
Because I'm an old man.
Order canceled. Yep, that was it. Alex, that was my trade. Took about a third of a second.
Bang on this, bang, bang.
Hey, come on! I take 1/8 of a second.
That was it. It was over. All I got was order filled. That was my $100 trade for the day.
What do you do if you don't mind me asking, or is it like top secret?
No, it's like a ORB. It's kind of top secret because to tell you, I'd have to tell you all this other stuff, and there'd be like huge backstories. And ask Mike.
Yeah,
it's complicated, but it's not complicated. It's really just the morning ORB.
You know how I found out?
Is it on the 1 minute?
I do it's complicated.
I asked him one question at a time over a period of 2 months. Each different questions. I filled in the blanks slowly.
What is it? Whatever side it breaks at the 929 candle, you go full force and hope for continuation.
I'm not even sure. I don't even know what trade you're talking about.
Well, his opening trade.
It's where'd he go? That's it. He's on break already.
No, I'm here doing the cameras. Trying to figure out why Alex don't have a camera.
Oh, he's not turning his on.
No, I have my camera on my stream.
He didn't do his hair.
No, I have my camera on my stream.
On Discord.
I don't know.
He's got. Yeah, no. He can't. You can't have two sources. He's got his camera being pulled in from OBS.
Yeah.
On his stream.
Discord. See.
So for you guys, I'll just have my voice.
No, he's not pulling it in from.
All you gotta do is turn it on.
It is on.
You just go to the camera button and select your camera.
Try it, Al. See what happens.
Mine is there. Yours is there. What are you talking about?
Turn on camera.
Just camera button down the bottom.
I don't think it'll work. I think you'll get that error message like you did when you tried.
Then you just turn it off and turn it back on.
No, you can't have two. No, but he has OBS pulling it for his stream. He's streaming.
I'm streaming also. So are you.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
but
working. It's not working. It's just loading. You're right, Dad.
you know, listening. I'm pulling the camera. See, failed to start camera because
Yeah, you're right.
only one app can pull a camera feed. OBS is pulling his camera feed, and now he's in Discord. Discord will not be able to pull in a camera feed unless he closes it in OBS.
Guys, it's all good. Don't
So
worry.
he,
Just keep your
yeah,
camera, keep your natural
yeah.
setup. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm just doing.
Well, we
I'm
already
doing
have
a
to change
tool.
it anyway, so it's already there. You just turn the camera on. It's already replaced. But
Yeah, no,
what I'm saying
I got
is
some notes.
I don't understand what he's saying. I'm pulling my camera in. It's also in well, I use Prism Live Studio, which is basically OBS, but it's pulling in my camera. I think you run yours
Yeah, your
through
video source is probably pulling it from Discord though.
no.
No?
Mm-mm. Mike pulls mine from Discord. No, I go straight to Prism Live Studio and then straight to Discord. And
I disagree because I remember you had the same problem, and I told you how to fix it a little while
Mike,
ago.
how do you think you see me? Just out of curiosity.
I don't understand the question. You're in Discord. So if you're in Discord with a camera, that means Prism is pulling you from Discord. That's my opinion.
No. Well, it's pulling me from Discord right now because I have the camera up, but I have my own camera.
Oh,
at
if you
the
have
same
multiple
time.
cameras, there you go, Al. You can get multiple cameras.
No, I don't have multiple cameras. I have one camera.
That's a solution.
Bro, I think Prison Labs is just acting like as a third party, like how Tradevate acts for us on TradingView.
See there, you see my stream, you see my camera.
Yep.
I turn that off. That's from the Discord.
Yeah, but
All
that's
that
what I
different
think. I
stuff.
think it's just acting like as a middleman, but OBS can't properly maybe act as a middleman for us on Discord.
See that
See
you went
now,
off on.
now it cuts it off, so I have to go down to the bottom, turn it off, turn it back on.
Yeah, you
Anyways,
guys are
whatever.
confusing me. Yeah, you guys are confusing me. I'm trying to fix this up, and
It's okay, just keep it as is, how you guys keep it. Don't worry.
yeah.
Hmm.
Let's get back to the markets. Otherwise, everyone's going to say, "Is this a camera show?" I haven't taken a trade. Maybe I took a trade. I don't even know. One of my accounts turned green. Which one? Maybe they'll all turn green. Ow! Stop it, Sparky.
Red folder
So
at
what
10
is
at 10
this?
a.m.
Say that again.
Red folder news at 10 a.m.
You can throw up a photo. That's funny. Guys, I still haven't even done my first window capture. Can you believe it? That's how slow I am.
I'm telling you, for the complicated stuff, you're quick, and for the stuff that requires absolutely no brain cells, you're like clueless.
Right now I'm in
Mike will
clueless
come and
zone.
solve like a huge math equation, and then you'll give him like how to click X on stream, and he'll be confused. Where do I go? What?
I hate to say it, but that kind of reminds me of my son.
Yeah, that's the problem with being a genius. Our brain is reserved for the difficult stuff.
He can work out these insane math problems. No problem at all. And then yet, you ask him something so simple, and he's like, you ask my
Clueless.
dog or something. Like,
Yeah.
what?
Good morning, JC. Yeah.
There's another JC, eh? There's Lucky JC, and there's another JC now.
They're all lucky.
Boom, 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 boom.
Good morning, no skills. No skills.
Okay, let me get this done. By the time I get this done.
Omnis, how's the weather in Florida? Is it like sunny like 85% of days?
It's beautiful. He loves it.
Extremely hot. I know it looks nice on TV. I went up north one time. I saw a commercial. I was sitting in a hotel and saw a commercial. I was like, dang, that place is beautiful. I want to go there. And it was literally like the town next to me. I was like, y'all fucking lie. You fucking liars.
Well, they can't show a guy sweating. That wouldn't be entertaining. So they should make it just look beautiful.
I believe I was out yesterday. I believe the truck said like 97. So in Florida, we have like extreme humidity. So that 97 was probably like 110.
Wow.
Then we're getting UV warnings, alerts every day. They don't want you to go out in the sunlight.
What UV do you get? It's like 12, 11.
I just see the warnings. I don't pay that much attention to it. I'm not a person that worries about UV or sunburns. You think because I have fair skin and red hair that I'd get sunburnt super easy?
Yeah.
I used to as a kid. But then somewhere along the way, I just kind of stopped believing in sunburns, so I stopped getting them.
That's what the white kid says, and he comes home with second-degree burns because he's been out in the sun all day with no sunscreen. Good morning,
Use
Kathleen.
sunscreen
I don't know. He's pretty
probably
pale
20
skinned.
years, and I haven't gotten a sunburn.
He's pretty pale skinned, Omnius.
Omnia
Who?
stays in the shade, and he goes home and says, "Look, I didn't get a sunburn."
Oops. You're pretty pale. You're pretty pale skinned.
Yeah. Oh, on the scale of getting burned to death, I'd probably be at the top of it. It's like me and then the albino guy.
Mm.
Nah, I drink plenty of fluids. Stay hydrated. That does more than the sunscreen. It's funny because we go to the pool and all these people are, you're going to be fried. And then the next day they're all fried and covered in sunscreen the entire day. They're
Did
calling
anybody?
me, they're like I'm super bad. I know you're really bad. I'm like, no, I'm good.
Did anybody answer no skills?
What was the question?
What's the waiting room used for in Discord? It's kind of like a transport room in Star Trek. You go into the waiting room and we transport you into the private room. That's
Trying to
how
get
we.
Mike to bring more people on, but you know how it is.
That's how we suck people in into the vortex.
Today, Wednesday, maybe tomorrow we'll get no skills on.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, now once I have this 3-camera setup going properly, which I'm still working on, believe it or not.
I don't know how. It's pretty easy setup. Oh, you said your duplicate didn't work.
Maybe for
So,
you. Yeah, and then I got to bring it into a group, and then the group doesn't work, and
you still can't see me on your screen.
I'm still working on mine. Can't see me either, really. It's just been like the last 10 seconds it's there. Something is open that shouldn't be open.
Did you set it all up as one camera?
No,
Why?
individual. I like individuals because it makes my life more difficult. Okay,
Put it
now
all
we.
as one camera, man. Move it in a little bit. It lines them up.
No, because I got the Omnius and the Futures floor, the writing. And
Fair enough.
man, my way's harder.
Exactly. Like, you're trying to make this complicated. Treading ever after sunscreen causes cancer. I keep trying to tell people that, but they won't listen. It's the sun that is good for you. Overdo anything is bad. Yeah, I found out that I can go out in the sun for about 2 hours without having to worry about it, especially if I stay hydrated. Plus, I take the kids out. We're normally good for about an hour and a half, 2 hours at the pool. If we're there for about 2 hours, we'll take a break or something. Only time my son's ever had a sunburn, he was at his aunt's house in the pool, and they put sunscreen on him. I'm like, great. Now the kid's got his first sunburn he's ever had, the only one he's ever had. He had sunscreen all over him. How do they even market a product like that?
chart. Oh, I know why you're going over the chart.
Most time people get sunburnt because they're too dehydrated. You think about it, you go out to the pool or lake or something. You're normally either drinking beer or soda or some kind of something like that, which dehydrates you. You go
You
out, you
never
drink
made me think of it
water
that way.
or Zip Fizz or Liquid IV or something like that. It's actually harder to get sunburnt than you would think.
Never made me think of it that way, but yeah, dry skin. It's probably even worse.
Yeah, dry skin you'll
You
burn
can
quicker for sure.
you can catch on fire.
The thing about you put something in the microwave, if it's something dry, it only takes a few seconds. But you put a bowl of soup in the microwave, and you got to put it in for like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
The more hydrated something is, the harder it is to burn it. No skills, don't get sunburned because of my ancestors. Give it to the ancestors.
Candles
Yeah,
are
my
pretty
Trade
great.
father
off or no? I'm up about $500 on it.
Pretty big
I'm
candles
down
today,
to,
huh?
Yeah.
down to just one lot now. Hey, wrong one. Come on, man. I get a new one. About 73 points. Can you do it? Can you do it? There it goes.
Well,
92 points. See, Mike, I can hold a trade.
you got 92 points?
Yeah, off of the trading view bot. I guess it's not called a bot if it don't trade for you, huh? The algo? Whatever you call it.
I call them all.
Damn it.
Yeah, you know what? Called the top and posted it on Mike's Discord. Way to go, no skills. Yeah, that's what just about. They should just all be called algos. I think that's the easiest word to work with. I
had
never
to
know
take it a
what
little
word to
early
use.
because of a pivot point. I don't try to cross pivot points. But it would have
I'm always,
made it got his targets also. Q?
I'm always hesitating on what word to use.
It
But
don't matter. Use whatever word feels right at the time. People get too serious about words.
no, I like algo. I'm gonna go with algo from now on.
I think you'd call it an algo if it doesn't trade for you, and if it does, I think you'd call it a bot.
Yeah, I think the correct word is a bot.
No, it's an algo, and if it trades for you, it's called Angry Ace.
There you go. We got to
solved.
figure it out.
Solved.
On these trades, me has got 100 points out of that. Sweet. That's what I like to hear.
Okay.
Yeah, I know I couldn't hardly sit still on my seat. I was like, there's 10 points, take it. There's 20 points, take it.
I'm done. I fixed it. That was fast. How long did that take? 15
That was some
minutes.
sloppy candles. Why were they sloppy? No skills. You been waiting? I don't know no skills. If we brought you on now, it'd probably be crowded.
Oh my goodness. I have to stand all the cameras again.
No skills. Let us know tomorrow. See about bringing you on.
You see how
How's that
long it
sound?
took me?
We can convince Mike. You gotta help me convince Mike, but as long as
No,
we
my
can
good. My cameras are all done now. I used to always move them, but now I got a 3P and a 2P. We can do 3. We can do 4 too, but then I'll have to set up my cameras again. Meantime, I'm missing all these moves.
Look how bearish
Oh,
we
it's
are.
true. Don't.
Look at that melt.
Start doing like a certain day a week or something. Start bringing people on. Oh, damn, been setting up the office for a nice day. I have my chart on 10-minute. Dang, 10-minute charts.
Oh my God! My God! Look what I'm missing.
What happened? What'd y'all do? Who did this?
I don't know, but between my cat, my cameras, my cold.
Alex, does he always blame the cat? Be honest.
Always blames the cat.
Order filled.
Eyes are tearing.
That what it was? Service PMI? No
Order
like it?
filled.
Nah,
Okay,
they'll get over it.
he'll get over it. What account is this? Oh, it's the wrong one. You're over 150 already.
Mike went silent.
No, my mic's here. It's on. Hello, hello. No, it's working.
I hear you, I hear you.
What do you mean he
I
went
hear
silent?
you, boss.
Let me do a sound test.
My man,
I
they
didn't
do
do a
sound
sound
checks.
test. Yeah, now I gotta
Three
do
of them.
sound tests.
We got a long way to go, huh, for NQ to catch up to yes. Yes already took out previous day low. We got a long way to go, huh, for NQ to catch up to yes. Yes already took out previous day low. I hear double now.
Mike's just not like real loud today. He's normally loud.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. My mic got moved far away while I was adjusting my cameras. Now I'll
Were
bring
you
it
watching
back.
the stream? I heard myself double.
No, I wasn't. Well, sort of. The stream is always up. I'm always monitoring the stream, but
Talking about sound.
Yeah, sound. I
I
heard
did.
myself double.
Yeah, I was doing a sound check.
Okay.
We'll have to check that all the levels were good. That's
When
the
you
last
mentioned
thing.
me joining, Mike went silent. Nah.
No, of course not. No. You're reading into things. I'm working on a million things over here. I'm not silent. I'm trading silent. I only took one trade, and that was just now.
Really? He really is sick.
Uh,
Somebody call a doctor.
What's up, AD?
no, I love bringing people in. Just I hesitated when so many times Omnius asked in the past, like almost the past 2-3 months, and I always went, "Oh my God," because I knew how long it would take me to fix the cameras. But now I did it in a way that it's permanent. So it'll be better now. Now we can bring people in, kick them out, bring more people in. Okay, so let's try to work my way up to 200. 200 an account. That defeats the purpose of the $100 a day club, and I really like the idea of the $100 a day club.
Mike, I know you have a picture of Alex on your computer. Why don't you send it to me so I can get rid of this pink screen?
Order filled.
Oh, yeah, okay, sure. Keep me more busy.
Stop filled.
See, that's why I did individual. I put in the extra time. Hold on. Let me get that for you. It's okay.
Do I need to go
I'm
to GPT and get an AI picture?
I'm sick. I shouldn't even be trading.
Order filled.
That's
What
funny.
if trading six the best way? How about an elf? Let's see. I got Batman. I got an elf. What else I got?
Copy. There you go. It's in your Discord.
Absolutely not.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, we use that one. All right, I got it. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I already sent it to you.
Stop
Did you?
field.
Yeah. You have to do a little cropping though. I gotta move you over also a little bit here. A little. Are you like sitting a little sideways in your chair? Because you're doing something. Like if I
Nope,
move you
right in
over
the
a little
middle.
to the right in the middle.
Right in the
Guys,
middle.
go press the like in Mike's son's stream. I even forgot he's streaming. I can't keep track of all this.
Yeah, taking
Let
a
me
trade
just
in
trade.
London must be lonely. I don't know how people trade Asia and London. Must be so slow.
No, you just change your approach. You go for the big moves.
Like London, at least it has more activity than Asia.
Mm. Okay, that one's done. 245. Move on to the next one. Got to get it over 150 at least. 200 is better. It's at 149. I think we're over 200. 209. Next one. 189. See how fast I could find the trade?
Order filled.
189. We got to get it over 200. Let's go to one lots. Long. Add to the long. It's a good price. I didn't get added yet. Now I got added. And close. Stopped out. Okay. 189, I think, went to 145. And now, where are we?
Order
even? I don't
filled.
even know. Oh, we are in short territory. Omnis, are you looking for shorts?
Right now, I got to do all this to get a picture going. I saved it, but then I couldn't find out where I saved it. So now I got to save
Stop
it again.
field.
Not there.
Hey, what's
There.
going on? Why is it not taking me out? Oof, down to 114. $149. I don't even know what I want to do. I'm just kind of chasing micro momentum.
Yeah, to go in with Asia, go small size and try to get the whole entire move. So I don't think it's the best way to trade though, too.
Wow, I haven't been watching the charts really or anything, but Martin, you caught a nice one again, eh, with the pre-market fade. Depending on how much you go for, 552 all the way up to 624, 75 points. Martin, are you even there?
Don't forget we got news in 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'll take a break.
They're big candles, huh?
Mm.
Big boy candles.
What are y'all looking for? Long, shorts?
I'm more
It
bearish.
should be shorts.
Trading everybody after took the long, lost 800. Beer 30.
Right now, it should be short. That's the direction I should be going in.
If you take a loss, do you chug a beer real quick? Does that make it better?
It does. It does.
Then you ready to trade some more?
I'm answering for him.
Take a guess. What's the news gonna do? Up or down?
Mike, maybe we need a disclaimer. Guys, don't trade drunk. We would never do that. But don't copy our trades because we may or may not trade drunk.
I don't know. I think we have to be more committed to that. I think we have to say we do trade drunk.
Well, I said we may or may not trade drunk.
Yeah, forget drop the May. No, I didn't take the pre-market, Martin. I just looked and I saw that it was 10 points. What 10 points? It went 75 points on my screen.
Those skills
5 candles.
Your Renko must be flickering.
Why?
Yeah, it's going pretty quick, but I'm
Yeah,
not
for
really
sure.
watching it now.
Renko's not that bad.
The 7-point
Renko you
Renkos, it
want?
must be flying.
No, he doesn't use that. He's using the Ninzarenko's 40-20, I think.
Yeah, I'm using 40-20. Actually, it's a
Entry was
40-20 hybrid chart.
Really?
It's Renko with kind of Heiken-Ashi built into it, over top of it. Kind of a weird chart. I don't know why I trade it, to be honest with you.
Martin, are you getting that HA bar on Ninja Trader or in something else? Because on Ninja Trader, the first green bar, Heiken-Ashi one
Order
day was
filled.
at 30,554
Time
at
frame.
9:50, 1 minute. The 9:50 candle, the one that ends at 9:51. That one was green
And
already.
you also got to take in, does the end of day break or something, does that change it?
Stop filled.
And you also have different times. So there's a lot that can change the candles on Ninja Trader.
Here, Martin, I'll show you. There it is. That's the entry right there. I'm short because you see that's Angry Ace version 4. So ignore the short, but that would have been the entry right there at 9:51, which is a 9:50 candle, and it went all the way up from 549 to
Order
624,
filled.
75 points.
We did fail to make a new low. Price is pushing up off of it. No skills. Thanks for the 40 points. Oh, yeah.
Well, all I know is if I was applying to be a job as a sound engineer, or whatever for a video production crew for like a live news station, I would fail because I think all this stuff has to be done before it, not after or during. I got to make a list. You run off a list, I think, Amnes?
I have a couple of them. Which list we're talking
Order
about?
filled.
I didn't look at it today.
Where you have to click, what you have to open, how to set everything up.
Failed on most of that today.
I'm running on memory, and God knows how my memory is. I mean, you all know how my memory
Bad
is.
when you make a list and
Order
you still don't
filled.
get it. It's okay. Look, that's life. I think the older you get, the more you learn that. Go do what you do and stop worrying about everything being perfect. Go fuck it all up. It'll be okay.
That's what I tell couples when they're
Once you
planning a
learn how to
wedding.
get through it when you fucked it all up, the good days are just nice and sweet. Everybody's waiting for the perfect moment in life. Just do it. Besides, really, most things you got to learn how to fuck them up anyways, because it's going to happen regardless. So you got to learn how to take care of it when it happens, so you don't worry about it as much.
Like a pilot's checklist. Yep, that's it. Absolutely, Skeletor.
Really is kind of
Obviously.
amazing how much a list helps.
Oh
Especially
my
if you
God,
have it
yeah.
on a little notepad or something, you just throw it down right in front of you. Then you can't move it out of the way until it's done. Or if you have a trading one, you just keep it there. Had to make me one for my Renko strategy yesterday because I kept skipping a part.
Mm.
Like, well, you see it there, you see it. So why do you keep acting like you don't see it? No skills with the beer. Bang. Get it, son. 15 minutes is telling me, trust me. I won't let you. I won't lie to you. No skills. The candles will never lie to you. They always got you. Except for when they lie to you. Mike the NQ's that girl in the red dress trying to seduce you. Trying to seduce you into a trade.
Back, yep.
Then as soon as you get in, a white van pulls up, some guys in hoods and kidnap you.
Mm.
Take you to an unknown location and torture you.
Mm. That's a good idea, Martin.
Crazy bullish SMT we have. Look at AES who took out previous day low, huh? Look how far we are from NQ for that.
Martin, you have a lot of good ideas. Martin, you're on the beta testers group, right? How old are you, Martin?
He's 12.
I always thought he was like, yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I feel like he's 18. I don't know why I get that impression.
I mean, that one kid that showed up, he's like, I'm 14, learn how to trade.
I saw that. I saw that.
We've had a few of them. I think the first one you were like 14. Oh, you got to go. Get out of here. Go get your parents. I'm like, come on, Mike. He's trying to learn, man. Just tell him not to copy your trades. 35. That's not bad. Trading ever after. Started my son at 16. Trying to get my son going. I think if I can get him an account and have him start doing, I think he'd get hooked. He is a huge number guy. I think the idea of sitting here and thinking about numbers all day, I think he'd be hooked.
It's going to bring you to the wrong one.
He wants to start streaming his Minecraft. So I got to figure out how to stream Minecraft.
How old is he?
11.
11. Get him an account.
Hey.
I actually have an account. It's actually, I could monetize it right now. I told him I'd give it to him. I did this thing, Alex, where it was a YouTube challenge. And it was to be able to get monetized in like 1 month. That was like stupid crazy. And I did it.
Gaming. I was a big gamer when I was a kid too.
It's crazy how you can do stupid stuff on YouTube and just like blow up real quickly.
Played every Call of Duty imaginable.
Oh, he's getting on the zombies now.
Call of Duty Zombies?
Yeah.
Yeah, COD was a big one for me. I was addicted to COD.
Trying to get him on the Origins map.
Yeah.
I used to be good at it, but now I try to play it and I just keep dying on like round 4. He's like, Dad, you sure you used to be good at this map? I'm like, yeah, man. It's to own this map. Like 20 years ago. 15 years ago. It's been a while.
We got to change up. Change of the guard.
But he wants
You know
to
how to
start.
do.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, I was just telling Alex. You know how to do it, Al? You just go into YouTube Studio, find the thing, and there's a pencil icon right under the title.
To do what?
Change your title. It says PM session.
Oh,
PM New
okay,
York
okay.
session.
I'll go do it. I'll go do it.
2 people really read it anyways.
I don't know. Oh, I am ready for a break. Hey, you didn't, Omnius, you didn't comment on my one word sentence.
I'm sorry, what was it?
Yeah, I'll read it to you. Maybe you didn't, maybe you thought it was gibberish what I sent you. So
Was
you
it
just,
in Messenger or what?
yeah.
Probably
So you
didn't
just,
see it.
so you just passed over it.
Oh,
Let
I
me
seen
see
that.
here.
I read like the first 2 letters and was like, okay. I mean, when you start a word off with okay, I mean, that's pretty much done right there. You ended
Yeah.
it before I could even read it.
Okay,
So I
you
blame
can
that one on you.
It said, okay, you can messenger
it's
call
over.
me whenever you want.
Once you get to okay, it's over. You're like,
Well, you didn't get the part about call me.
I never read that part. I read the okay and I was done. You put the period before the sentence. Anyways, how do I get my son streaming Minecraft?
You do whatever you have to do.
Oh, I don't know.
Whatever he wants, you get
He's
it to
got
him.
an Xbox. Can you stream on Xbox?
I have no
Don't they
idea.
have like a straight to streaming thing or something?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Order filled.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Alex, you never streamed on your Xbox?
No, I don't think you can.
Really?
Or it's complicated.
Really?
I don't know where to go to change it.
Twiz, you are up 20 hours a day.
No, 23.
Okay, I got it here. AM.
It's all Mike's fault, but hey, if he can do it, I guess I can do it.
Triz, how do you know that? By the way we look, or did you see us on YouTube? Or are you just looking at our faces and saying
We
that?
look awfully tired, don't we?
The Karen trades. Hello, the Karen trades. I am ICT. I am ICT. I have a channel for you.
Tread never after. My son is almost 21. He made 5K on NVIDIA. Get it. My father-in-law made 100K on Tesla. That's what I'm talking about. I always see you guys online when I check. You guys look very much alive. Wait, is your icon a pizza?
No way.
I gotta go check on this.
Favorite streamer of the month.
It is a pizza.
Order filled.
Holy
You're
shit.
gonna fit right in over here.
Yeah, we're inviting you to come and sit with us live. Yeah.
Liza Pizza. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, that big trades. AD, NVIDIA went up like 400% or something. So if you bought it and held it, it's not necessarily that big of a trade. Of course, y'all know my problem, right? Ask Mike. He knows. Mike, what did
Hemorrhoids.
I do? A what?
Hemorrhoids.
Hemorrhoids? I don't think so. You been talking to my doctor? Did he tell you that?
No, I could just see it in your face expression when you move on your chair.
My problem was I bought in a video way down here somewhere, and it went up like 30-40%, and I sold it. So I missed all of this, which in hindsight looks great, but whatever. I
You
made
know
my
what?
30-40%.
That's the thing I hate the most about the markets. You don't know where the top is and you don't know where the bottom is. And it always
But
makes you look stupid after the fact.
not really. I mean, it's kind of easy when you quit worrying about all that stuff.
Yeah, if you can quit worrying about it and thinking about
But
it.
I would say the video is what, like 8% of QQQ. So I have the majority of my money in SPY and QQQ.
Wow, it's so heavily weighted.
Do what?
It's so heavily weighted. That's amazing.
Oh yeah. So I mean, I made money on all this anyways, just not directly from the stock itself. I made it through the ETFs.
Okay, that's 3. 2 more to go.
Yeah, I don't hold single stocks.
Order filled.
Once I think they're kind of overbought.
Mm.
Same thing with Google. I had that. I made money a bunch of times on Google. But did I get this huge run up? No. But then again, Google's what, like 6% of the QQQ? So, I mean, I'm still making money on it.
So dangerous. I actually had to talk to one of my friends. Like, it's a good time to invest. Meta, all these things are not at all-time highs yet. I'm like, oh my God, we're so overbought.
I would argue we're kind of cheap for Meta because that's a company that just prints money like crazy. I mean,
Yeah, I heard they just keep throwing all their profits back right into AI. They want to be
if you
ahead of
go
the
to
curve.
well, they were down a few years ago because of how much they put into AI. That huge drop was because of how much they put into AI. People didn't like it, but if you look at their cash flow, what they got $48 billion just sitting there.
Mm.
Total debt's 85 billion, so they could pay off half of their debt today, not even miss the money. I mean, they just print money like crazy. They're down 23% from the high. They're at a 21 PE. I mean, for a company like they could easily do a 30, 35 PE. So I think their forward PE is like a 18 or something. So for a company like Meta, that's super good. But they could always pull back. You just start investing, grab a few shares now, comes down more, buy some more. Netflix, about the same thing. So a lot of these really good companies are kind of cheap right now, but then some of the other ones are extremely overbought. So the market as a whole is extremely overbought.
Well, I understand the need for investing, but for me, it would either be the Warren Buffett approach. You just buy it when you're 17 years old and you pretty much hold it till forever, through all the cycles without thinking about it.
I think every time it gets a dip, you should add. Every time you see 30% or negative 25, 30%, put a
Yeah.
little money in it
Or
and do
add,
that.
yeah, exactly. Especially when if you're in a solid company. Because if you're selling and buying and selling and buying, now you're trading and then you're holding overnight risk. Look, some people can do it. I'm not up for overnight risk.
Well, what you do is you go for the big stocks, ones that are in the S&P or the Nasdaq, and you just buy them when they're cheap. They go down, you buy them.
Mm.
And then you have like what they call like Magnificent 7 or 10 or whatever you want to call it now. I mean, those they get like a 10% dip. You just start adding in. I mean, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Nvidia, Amazon. You start seeing those. I mean, they start getting a dip. You just start buying in. Then you get down to the 200 moving average on the 10-day chart. You just back up the truck, start throwing everything at it.
Late.
Look how crazy bearish we looked this morning, and look at the move up.
For me, swing trading stocks and investing got a whole lot easier when I decided to just stick to the S&P 500 stocks.
Yeah.
Like they're telling you like the best 500 stocks. You have 500 to choose from. Or you go with the NASDAQ 100, right? You have 100 stocks to choose from. There's almost always one at a discount. Just buy it. Like, why are we trying to trade these crappy companies? Hoping for something
Miraculous.
Oh, it's tomorrow that it's going away, Skeletor, the PDT rule. That's cool.
What is that?
The
that was
rule for
the huge nightmare. That was the
$25,000.
boogeyman
Yeah.
under your bed for every trader a few years ago.
$25,000 if you want a day trade, pattern day trader rule.
Mm-hmm. So before everybody was into futures and stuff, and before all the prop firms, people were trading stocks, and you have to have $25,000 in the account. You have to maintain $25,000 in the account.
Yeah,
If you drop
maintain,
under
that's the
that,
key
you
word.
get locked out. So you had to have at least 25,000 to be able to day trade. Of course, there was ways people tried to get around it. It's always been the great thing about futures. You didn't have to worry about that.
Mike, what's the bundle like? I didn't even take a look for Apex. They have the 5 bundle for end of day drawdown and for trailing drawdown.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a bundle. Comes out to about 95% off.
AD Omnius Mike going to bed early today. Have to be up 6 a.m. Still stick around 45 minutes.
He's still sticky.
Still going to
Still
stick
sticky.
around for another 45 minutes.
Got it. I got it now. Just had to read it a few times. Quiz movement's been lovely
Mike, I
today.
changed my title.
Okay.
I click saved.
Okay.
Refresh. You have to refresh so if you're watching the stream, in order for it to take place, you have to refresh.
Let me check here.
SpaceX IPO is the trade of the year, in my opinion. Really? Never been good at the IPOs. To me, they always seem to come out strong, and then you buy it, and then they dip.
Oh, Mike, I did the wrong one.
Poll for over the night. Best prop firm.
Refresh.
We had Apex, Bullinox, Tradeify, and Trade Day.
Take a look now.
42%
Refresh.
said Apex, 41% said Tradeify. So I guess
Okay.
Apex and Tradeify
Whatever
are the
budget.
favorites. What are you saying, Alex?
My title, does it still say PM? I refresh,
No,
it should be
switched.
AM. Okay.
Yep.
Should be. Think I got it.
Apex didn't have daily loss limit. That'd be number one forever. Not that bad, is it? Let's take a look. Like $1,000 or something.
Yeah, it's a good daily loss limit.
I mean, are we really trying to lose more than $1,000 in one day?
No.
And that's not even for the eval, is it? Oh yeah, we have a public service announcement from Apex. Mike, I don't know if you got the email. Guys, Apex
sure.
is
Order
aware
filled.
that some Tradeovates accounts have been being activated and then deactivated. They are aware of it. If you have that issue, send them a message.
Oh, no, I didn't get that.
Don't freak out. They are aware of it. They even have it listed at the top of their page now, and they send out emails. So if you get a Tradeovate account, you get it activated, and then somehow it gets deactivated. Mine didn't get deactivated. I got mine. Then just send them a message.
We're close to the middle there, Martin, eh? On the AB, on the IB. 651, that's your middle, really? 809, 300, 5, 650. Is that what you said? Yeah, 650, you're right.
So, Mike, the intraday trail in doesn't have a daily loss, right?
Intraday trailing.
I don't see a daily loss
I'm
on
not
the
sure.
intraday.
I don't remember all the rules off by heart.
Yeah, there's so many different firms. It's hard to remember exactly.
Yeah.
So I think it's just end of day, and they have a $1,000 limit. I mean, that's pretty. It's pretty normal across companies.
Yep.
For the end of day, $1,000. I don't know why you'd want to lose more than 1,000 in one day.
Stop filled.
No, on funded, you shouldn't be doing that. Fundeds
even
have to
see
be
that on the
traded
funded.
conservatively.
I don't think that's on the fund. I think it's just the eval.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
I could be wrong, but oh no, okay, yeah, it says yes. Okay, so yeah, they have the daily loss limit on the funded also.
Yeah, Teddy,
But
it
still,
happens to me too. When I hear order filled on other people's streams, I get PTSD.
Yeah, yeah, I don't like that. Somebody does that
Well.
sometimes.
We're really yeah, this is the second time this happened. I noticed.
Anyways, the Apex sale ends, I think, today.
No, they extended it. I got an email.
They extended it. They did. Yeah, I see it. They send out all those messages to remind people, and then they extend it. So what we got to put up with these damn firms?
Yeah, I think they deactivated accounts by accident. Apparently some funded accounts were deactivated.
No way.
Yeah, by accident. So they said they're
Oh, is
gonna go
that
fix it. That's why they extended
the
the sale.
we're going through maintenance type of thing?
I don't know. It didn't seem to affect me, so I don't know.
Yeah, I saw some. I think a guy named Darius posted something in the Discord saying,
Looks like they closed people's accounts by accident.
yeah, it's it. Your account is going through maintenance.
Oh no, that's been an ongoing thing people have been complaining about. I've had several people mention that they've had that issue, and then people are saying that they get that message for a long time, and then they're basically banned from Apex.
Oh, really?
So I don't know what's up with that. I would say if you get that, reach out to Apex. I think that's something that they should clear up with people.
NQ Futures Tartar. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Whatever time zone you're in. May it be good. What are we
Yeah,
doing
guys, I'm
on
gonna
the
go refill
minute?
my drink. I'll be back.
Sounds good. Is the next move going to be up or down?
I
Unless
think
we
if we break the high
rotate.
here, we're going to continue going up.
Yeah, unless we rotate.
Looks pretty bullish. Pushing up pretty strong.
Mm,
What a green candle.
mm.
Fly, Teddy, fly.
I love it when a plan comes together.
I woke up with such a tight trap. It's giving me a headache
A tight. Oh,
in my trap.
that was almost above my pay grade, that language.
It's a nice day outside. You should enjoy it a bit. Finally, we get some good weather. What do you mean? It's sunny, no clouds, 26 degrees.
I think if I find myself with some free time, I'm going to take it easy. You don't see anything? What's going on your charts?
I have absolutely nothing over here. I had a trade here, but I realized that it on NQ1 it swept the low, so I had to get out at break even.
Yeah.
I hate it in the last second when it jumps up 2 points. So take a look. I'll see what it does here.
Well, I'm just looking at the charts. NQ is relatively stronger than ES right now. So
Yep,
the
very
longs
much stronger.
definitely, yeah, that's the word I would use too. Very much, quite a bit stronger than ES right now.
You think we're coming all the way back up? Surprise.
Well, we have to get over the previous day's close and the previous day's high. I mean, we had that wick on the open, but if you remove that wick, if you just look at the body, I think we can get there. I think we can get there. Is that all-time highs? I don't even know. I
Yep,
stopped following
should
it.
be. Let me take a look, but should be, yeah.
It's gotten boring. I stopped
Yeah, it is
following.
all-time
Yeah, it
high
is.
again. Every
It
day, new
is. It
all-time
is.
high.
That's an all-time high. So we did it already. We can
We can do it
check
again.
one thing off the list. Oh yeah, we can do it
We can do it
sure.
again. Every day, new all-time high. Every day from now on, you should wake up 9:30, manipulation down, just buy and hold for the rest of the day. Hold until it makes a new all-time high. I wanted to see how the rankos were today. It's probably like fireworks.
They just did that. Winner, 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 loser, winner, 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 loser, winner, 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 loser, winner, 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 winner. And now we're on the next trade. So yeah, maybe just 2 or 3 losers. I'm doing something else and I'm getting crushed by it. I don't know why. I just don't go back to my. It's so much faster than the 7 Renkos,
Yeah.
and I know not to do that. I mean, like the 7 Renkos is about as fast as you should get. After that, you're in slippage territory, and you can't get. You don't get executed. You don't get your fills proper, and then because of that, I trade poorly, and I'm stubborn. I like to try. I like to try because it's good to have a thick playbook and to have things to fall back on when one thing's not working. But I'm out of trial budget already. I'm throwing out the evals like there's some flower seeds. And this batch here I wasn't supposed to, and I already did. Stupid. I have to get back to just focusing on making money. That's taking a back seat now to experimenting.
Yeah.
Gotta get my next batch of payouts lined up.
You said you just got a payout from Bullinox, was it, right?
Yeah, they took the money out of the accounts. I'm always nervous. So funny. I'm always nervous that they're going to come up with some, not they, Bullinox, but, whatever
reason?
prop firm it is. Yeah. But so far, no. So far, only denied from Apex, and it was legitimate. So,
Did they tell you
can't say
what rule you
anything.
broke?
Yeah, they did. It was the
Okay.
maximum adverse excursion. You know, when you couldn't pass 33% of your balance on the downside.
Yeah.
Oh, it was always that. It's so good they got that. They were the only firm that had that rule, and it was such a stupid rule. Yeah. See, I'm doing things I know I shouldn't be doing, and I'm still doing them. I've been here, done that, and I know this doesn't work what I'm doing. And it works until it doesn't, and when it doesn't, you get slaughtered. I think I'll have to get rid of this chart. Fuck, I like it though.
Get rid of the chart. Don't trade
Yeah.
evals for now.
No. I mean, this chart, this setup here with the 40-28 Ninzarenko and that box there, which I love, but it's just it's not sustainable. That's the right word. You can do great with it, but it's not sustainable. At least not for me. Not the way I trade with my mentality. And because the problem is, I just have a hard time waiting to get the right price. So I'm always getting in late. And it changes everything. It changes all the calculations on every trade. Ouch. Guys, if anybody of you or any of you are listening, I'm definitely going to post the chart for the Angry Ace version 4, because this is also a kryptonite day for Angry Ace version 4, and it's good for you to see where the weakness is. This is the weakness. We had it again once last week, and I saw it, and I forgot what day, and then it crushed it on other days, and I said, shit, but here's another day that's
Hey, the candles are crazy. Every time you get a big bearish candle, it comes right back and fills up the whole move.
I don't know if a long-term filter is the answer or what, but this kind of price action is deadly for that.
Looks like we're moving good, but then we get into some chop.
Yeah, well, we went above and below VWAP like 15 times. That's the that's where we get hurt
I
with
mean, I was chopping around VWAP.
with Angry Ace version 4. I can increase the size of the bands, but then your stop gets bigger. Martin, did you catch the IB trade? Was there even a trade to catch? What's this line? I'm assuming that's the AIB line.
Mike, I might get out of here a little early today.
Yeah.
Is Alex gonna hang out with you? Y'all gonna be able to do the games and stuff?
Yeah. Send me your list.
I'll send you the list.
I'll be here till 11:50, 11:55
Yeah.
max. I'm gonna
I'll
get
work.
ready and I got 1 hour to hit the gym.
Well, I got a line
Try to
here
get
on
my
my chart.
son to start working out with me in the morning.
Ah,
He's like, it
that's
hurts.
cool.
It hurts. You freaking sissy. It's supposed to hurt a little bit. Come on, it's working out, man. Come on. It hurts.
It hurts. Help.
Keep in mind, he's lifting like 5-pound weights. Trade never after could lose accounts in one candle. Oh no, don't say that.
Oh well, if he's trading 5 minis, and depending on what size
Bullshit.
account he is,
Bullshit.
yeah, I can't play Whiplash. That is a problem trading ever after. But the only thing is, we don't get notified in advance when the Whiplash is coming. I wish we did. Wouldn't that be fun?
Yep.
I understand what you're saying, but I'd almost disagree. We know that price was around the VWAP. We know price gets choppy around VWAP.
Yeah.
So we have our 5-minute moving averages sideways, VWAP sideways, and we know that we're around a sideways VWAP and moving average, which are both signs of choppiness. And we're close to the Globex Open, which is another sign. Or as you would plot it, the previous day's close.
Previous day's close. Boom, boom.
Alias, how's it going, my friend?
Hassan. Hassan. Good morning. Yeah, you're going for that all time. I was just going to ask you, Martin. So now that we closed above, is the target the high? Yeah, really? I got to do a reset, guys.
Trade never after. Does your son like stand in front of you and say, "Hey, I'm bigger than you are now"? I feel like every boy does that. Like my son,
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it for
growing up,
sure.
he goes up to like his grandmother. He's like, "Oh, I'm bigger than you now." I'm like, "Oh, I'm gonna be bigger than you in like a year."
I remember the day I became bigger than Mike.
Oh yeah.
That's every kid's dream to grow up. Then when you grow up, it's every grown-up's dream to get smaller, to be small, to be young. Guys, I'm just rebooting. Give me a second.
I keep telling my kids, don't grow up too fast.
Mike's a big dude, though. It took me a while to get to his level.
Mm.
He said he was a big guy, but I always took him as a midget.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
tall.
You
He's
said
like
he was like 6 foot or something like
yeah,
that. I
he's
was like,
6'1".
am.
He's higher. He's a little bit bigger than 6'1". Yeah.
I'm a 6'2" midget.
I always figured him to be around 4'5" or something.
Still rebooting.
So Alex, what's that put you about 6'3", 6'4"?
No, no, no. I'm 6'1" as well. It's just Mike has a
6'1",
little
okay.
hunch. He's leaning forward now.
My vertebrae are getting
Oh,
compressed.
he's gonna start shrinking now.
Yep.
He's gonna start losing about an inch a year.
An inch a
I hope
year.
not that much.
All right, maybe half an inch.
He'll be 80 at 4'1".
Hey, Alex, we had a conversation yesterday. I know what you're going to say, but think about it. Don't just blurt out a no.
Yeah.
If a guy came up to me
Mm.
and you knew it was 100% real, there's no doubt about it. You have to give me that. This is the hypothetical.
Mm-hmm.
You have to give me. It's 100% real. There's no doubt in it at all. $100 million. I give up my life so I can give my family the money. Right now, it's 61 years old. I said I'd do it in a heartbeat because I'm old already. And everyone was saying, oh, but think about your kids. Think about your kids. I said, well, I am thinking about my kids. I'm giving them a great life for the rest of their life. You know, who knows with me? In 3 years from now, I could be dribbling from the mouth.
Order filled.
You know, getting chemotherapy in 5 years, suffering for another 4, and then going. You know, it's not where $100 million is life. It's like, you know, that's a gift of a century. Would
No.
you be angry at me if I said yes? You don't get to decide. I'm deciding.
Yeah, I'll be
You don't
angry.
get to decide. You would be angry.
Mm-hmm.
How long?
I don't know.
Well, I mean,
I'd be like, what a goddamn idiot. The fuck was that
Right.
for?
serious?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I see things differently.
Let me
Me
tell
My
you.
li-
Let me
yeah,
tell you
my
the
life
future.
insurance.
So if he said yes and it really happened and everything, right? So you're gone. He gets $100 million. He splits it. Well, you got 3 siblings, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
So
$30
And a
million
wife, and a
$30
wife.
million
and a
dollars
wife,
each
okay.
after tax, gone 50%. I'm left
No
with
tax, no tax, no tax. This
So
is hypothetical.
25 million apiece. Let me tell you what the future is going to be, okay? At least 3 out of the 4 are going to be broke in about a year or 2.
No.
Absolutely. You ever
Us
see
no.
the lottery people?
Yeah, but us no. I'm not that retarded with money. I'm
Like
so
the
far away
majority of
from that.
people that win the lottery are broke within 5 years and like something like 90% within 10 years.
Yeah, the majority, but us were, I don't know, me, my brother, my sister were, maybe my mom, but my mom, okay, so 25% of our, in our case, will be broke within a year. But yeah, the
Then
majority, forget it.
then everybody's going to be living with the thought that I have this money instead of my father or husband or whatever else. So that's going to cause a depression, which is going to lead to
So does death cause a depression, and then time passes, and it becomes farther and farther away until they're laughing and smiling
I'm
with
just
their friends, and
saying,
they forgot.
statistically, at least 1 or 2 of them is going to fall into a depression and turn to drugs or alcohol, which is going to blow the money. So, in the end, is it worth it?
No.
Okay, I won't do it. It's not going to happen anyways. We don't live in that kind of a world.
It's not
And
even
then
for
I
that,
would
it's
throw
for the
in,
time. Why the hell would he just throw in the towel randomly? I'm gonna come home with some random day with no dad and money. Wow.
I'm 70 years old.
You're not 70.
well, then there's the other side of the equation. You can get what they call like term life insurance. I always call it rented life insurance.
Not for 100 million.
For like $1 million, yeah.
No, we said 100 million.
Well, I'm saying like $1 million.
Stop filled.
It might even go to like 5 million. Depends on what you want to pay. It ain't but like it's like $10 a month or something. It's not even that expensive. So if that's your logic, then you could almost do that now. Have you never heard of the? I always call it rented life insurance, but
If you can get me $5 million of term life for $10 a month, sign me up.
$10 a month.
Yeah,
might be more than
120.
that now. I'm probably thinking years ago, but it's not that expensive.
I don't know. I have term life, and I shopped around. And let me just say, I'm writing a really big check. It's $2,000 a year.
That might be the real life insurance. I'm talking about the rented life insurance.
Mm.
Can you like borrow against it and stuff?
There is an equity value. Yeah, it grows every year. So I guess maybe.
Then that's probably real life insurance.
I think it's called whole life. I don't know. There's too many terms.
Oh,
I
there's
don't know
one
why
right here,
these guys.
500K policy for $19 a month.
Yeah, that's a 19-year-old non-smoking female, probably.
With the real life insurance, I think it
Order
matters.
filled.
Like the rented life insurance, I don't think it matters as much.
Mm.
I forget what they call it. I probably got the names wrong. But there's one that like you're buying an actual like policy, and you're getting like equity in the policy. The other one's just like you pay monthly, and when you don't have it no more, you don't have it. They normally do it with jobs.
Yeah.
Like large corporations, like 50,000 employees, they normally have it. It's normally just a few dollars a month or a few dollars a week or whatever. Taran.
Well,
Do you have a
Order
website
filled.
to go to know more about you? Mike, don't you have OnlyFans?
He
I
does.
used
He
to. I had to
does. He
close
gets
it.
shy.
I said we had to close it.
Tyron, we have a lot of websites. Yes, we have Discord, links in the description. We have Facebook, Twitter. So go join us on Discord. That's probably the most important one. Then Facebook and Twitter.
Okay. I did it. I flushed the chart. When a chart does more damage than good, I flushed it.
Mike, are any of your kids married?
No, not yet.
So you'd give up that father opportunity to walk your 3 kids down the aisle to help your kids plan their wedding?
Stop
You're
filled.
presenting it you're twisting it in a way when I'm giving up. I don't see it as I'm giving up. I see it as I'm giving them. I'm sacrificing. You're using the word giving up, and I'm using the word sacrificing.
You it's a selfless
I don't know.
sacrifice.
Sacrificing. So useless. It's like when they tell you, would you give up your left arm for $1 million? No one's giving up their whole
Right.
arm. I'll give you $1 billion,
No,
but you got to give me your legs. Yeah, who's taking that? Who wants to be in a nugget for the
yeah,
rest of their lives?
I wouldn't do. I don't know. I wouldn't do that either. Okay, it's all a hypothetical, anyways.
It's
Let's
funny because I
not
get
get.
these questions all the time from my son.
Let's not get our panties in a bundle.
Would you
I don't know
rather?
if y'all get them from like YouTube Shorts or what. It's like, Dad, would you rather this or this? Would you do this or this?
You know where this all started from? Do you remember?
No.
Miss?
What?
Yeah, this all these hypotheticals started from name 5 things you don't want to you wouldn't want to touch or taste or something.
How did
For all
that
this-
go to
I don't know. We were looking
dying
for a
if
more
you could
difficult.
leave your kids $100 million?
I was looking for a more difficult question to ask.
This came up, and today I still would do it or wouldn't do it. Am I reading? Yeah. I believe he said the other day he wouldn't. So I think that's supposed to be I wouldn't. I agree with you and Alex. Read my last message. LOL. I agree with you and Alex. Read my last message. LOL.
What's the last message? I don't. The last one I have is okay. I got one MNQ left here. Oh wait, there's another one. No. Was it
Oh,
Teddy
okay, this
talking?
message. My father-in-law says the same thing. He helps the kids on occasion, but says if he gave all of them their inheritance, most of them would die from it. Yep. Most people that get a large sum of money blow it all within a few years.
Mm,
Crazy how the world now we're a bunch of consumers.
They call
yeah.
it new money. You're not old money, you're new money.
I'm
You
no
didn't
money.
get it. You didn't get it over time. It was just all given to you at one time, so you don't know how to
You
deal
go,
with it.
you go buy the expensive house, the expensive car, the expensive this, the expensive that. Then you got no money left.
Yeah, old money, new money. I'm Mr. No
Just
Money.
maintenance bills.
Did you watch the game yesterday, Mike?
Nah. I assume you're talking hockey.
Yeah, it was 2-0 Carolina, and then it was 4-4 in the third period, and towards the end, Vegas scored a fifth goal, 5-4.
Oh yeah, got him.
Yeah.
Lewis says, I'm looking for a free version of the water explosion. Do you have any ideas? Mike, do you have any ideas
Nope.
of a water explosion?
Nope, don't even know what he's talking about. Oh, wait a minute. I think I've heard of that.
Of the what?
Yeah, I don't have that anyways. I think it's an indicator. If I'm not mistaken. James would know. I think he used to use that. I always found it a weird name.
Maybe that's just code word for something else. A
Water
water explosion.
What an explosion!
Honey, do you want a water explosion tonight? Yep, sign me up. How do you know happiness if you don't have sadness? The struggle is how we improve.
Mm.
Was it that one song? Without the threat of death, there's no reason to live at all.
Yeah.
The only thing that gives meaning to life is the threat of death.
Yeah, I saw a video on that. Richard Feynman was talking about the concept of heaven. And he was reading through certain things like, oh, everything. Well, I don't remember anymore what the individual things were, but everything is perfect. Even though you can't taste and smell, it still smells perfect. It tastes perfect. It's just perception. You're like fully content all the time. And then he goes that that's not possible because you need to compare it in order to be content. You need to compare it to something else.
Relative.
And if you have nothing else to compare it to, then you're not content. You're just like you're in hell, you're living the same experience over and over again. I disagree with the argument though, because if it's all perception, then you can have the perception of being completely content.
You can. It's a choice.
I'm having tea today. Yesterday, coffee was not a good idea. Now I know how to close my mic, so when I cough, you guys don't hear it.
Order filled.
I was always thinking it was OBS that I need to close it in.
You still got to figure out my mic problem. Mike, do I buy a new mic or do I buy a new box?
I would go with the new mic.
Problem is,
Assuming it comes with a box. That way
well,
you
if I
get the
do
new
a
mic and the
USB
new
mic, I
mic.
don't need a box.
Okay. What's that connector called again?
USB,
No, the other one.
XLR.
Yeah, I think that's it. It's round, right? It's a circular thing.
Yeah.
With pins inside, I think.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at NQ and ES. What do we see?
But then if I get a USB mic, then I have the cables and stuff right in front of me. Where with the box, I can have it all routed around the desk.
Stop field.
Ain't gonna be long. Mine's gonna die. Be left with nothing.
What day is it today? Oh, yeah, okay.
Be stealing my
46.
son's Xbox microphone, I guess.
Order filled.
My camera has a microphone on it, but it sounds terrible.
Oh, yeah, camera mic is not usually good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Today is a day for R&R.
Well, I took a winner. That was fun.
Hey, why didn't you call it? Bastard.
Guys were talking, I got nervous, I just put myself on mute. It was the SMT trade. Remember I told you the SMT trade is so scary to take, but it works so
Yeah.
it works well. It has like 55% win rate for 3-1. And look, I'll
I
give you
sent
the
a message.
example. Go on NQ.
Yeah, no, give me a sec, pal.
Oh, okay.
Let him keep going. Read your message.
No, I wanted to show Mike, so I'll wait till he's done.
Oh, okay.
It's like we're taking an exam at school. It's so quiet. Is it coffee break for everyone? Got a headache. All right.
All right, I'm back. Guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta leave early
Mike's
today.
on.
Do some stuff with the family.
Enjoy. Have a
So,
good one.
Enjoy.
Did people unlike? I thought it was over 100. I haven't even looked at it. That was probably yesterday.
Thank you for having
77.
me.
right.
Oh, I'm sticking around. I'm not hanging up. We're gonna play the giveaway games after.
Guys, appreciate you. Mike
I'm ready
and
when you
Alex
are.
are still
Yeah.
hanging out.
Thank you, Omnius.
Y'all head over to Mike's stream or Alex's stream, whatever. Hang out with them for, I think y'all are going for another hour.
Yeah,
Whatever.
Or I
that
have a
makes
winner,
sense.
so if Dad, you want to close it, you just do the game and close it up a bit early for 11:30. It's good for me too, because I get to go to the gym.
You can go to the gym, guys. I'm gonna stick around a bit. I'm sticking
Okay.
around.
All right, guys. Head over
I'm gonna hang up.
to Mike's stream. All right, Mike, I sent you that stuff. You're still playing
Haggard.
the game too, so he's still going to do the giveaway. Not the giveaway, but the qualifiers.
Yep.
Which one am I on? I don't know.
Haggard.
Let's do a link to Mike's stream.
Don't know what. Have a good day. Haggard. Now I know what Haggard means.
Haggard.
Link. Can we get the link? There it is. All right, guys.
Bye,
Link,
Omnius. Take care.
FIFA
Enjoy your
4.
day.
Y'all head over there. Alex, have a good day. Mike, have a good day.
Yeah, we'll be back on the mic. Me and Omnis 8:30 p.m. tonight.
Guys,
Overnight
click
broadcast.
Go over to Mike's stream. Him and Alex, go to Alex's stream. See you guys later. Appreciate you guys. AD, no skills. Trade never after. Appreciate you guys. Peace.
Take care. See you soon.
You hear me?
See you soon, buddy. Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, so look what I was showing you. Look how scary
wait.
the trade is, but it's a good trade. 55% for 3 to 1.
Yeah.
Just go on NQ, I'll show you. You'll freak out.
In a minute. Giveaway done? No. PS Pinda, we're gonna still do it. What's up, Lewis? Okay, go to guys. If you want to take a look at Alex's chart, also he's going to be going over a trade right now. Go take a look. I just put the link there 17 times. Go ahead. We're again.
Yep.
I know I'm just going to confirm it all the time. You're looking at the 1 minute chart, right?
Yep.
Hello, trading ever after AD. Yep.
Look how
Okay.
simple. Low 1050. You see it? Try to follow,
you gotta
please.
remember, I'm here. You got to remember. No, but you got to remember, I'm hearing you live, but I'm seeing it on
It's
8-second delay. Eh?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
I'm not
so
asking you to see it. I'm asking you to listen to it.
No, but when you see it, I gotta wait for you to put your mouse there.
Yeah, I'm saying look at your screen at the low at 1050. I'm not telling you look at my stream and wait for it to pop up. There's a low on your chart at 1050. You don't have to wait 8 seconds for it to show up.
You see how he talks to me, guys? Oh my goodness. Okay, go.
There you go. Low at 1050. Low at 1053. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
The low at 1053 is the same low on ES at 1053 and the same low at 1050. So it's an external low and internal low. Now, first one to break it is NQ at 1057. You see how it broke it at 1057, but at 1057 ES only took the internal and not the external? Are you following? I don't hear you.
Nah. To be honest with you, I can't really
Mike, it's
see
so
at times.
simple. It's 3 lows. The lows have to be at the exact same time. The only thing
I see a
is
low
that
at 1050.
yeah, there's a low at 1050 that was swept at 1057. Correct?
Okay. Let's just let me cut you off. So if we use, I want to use the same language. If you're going to tell me a low, I'm going to assume it's a swing low. So
Swing
I was
low.
looking for swing lows, not just a candle low.
But that's why I gave you the time.
1053. Show me a swing low 1053.
Right here. Look
Put
at my
your
chart.
mouse on it.
I am.
Okay, I got to wait 8 seconds. I'll tell you when you're
It's
there.
not 8, it's
Hold
quicker.
on. Oh, wait a minute. I might not even be on live. You don't even use that thing. Okay, go again. Get you there. Yeah.
My cursor's on at 1053.
You only require one candle on each side. I forgot. For me, it's 2. So
Which
I
is
didn't
a
even
swing
see.
low.
Okay. Swing low, yeah.
Swing low 1053, swing low at 1050. ES has the exact same swing lows at 1053 and 1050. Now the SMT trade is I hope for an SMT for one to soup the external low at 1050, and the other one can either take none of the two or at least the middle one. So the one would be at 1053. So NQ came down, it swept at 1057, so it took out the external at 1050. ES did not. ES swept the one at 1053, but did not sweep the one at 1050, so cause an SMT. So I enter in right on that SMT, and it has to be close together. It's one of my, anyways, there's rules to it, but technically that's how it is. And I enter and I put a 10-point stop and I go for 3-1 and it hit. But you see how scary it is. Imagine entering at 1057 when it's a complete closure below a low and you have a
Yeah.
big bearish candle. You're freaking out. But
Yep. Yep.
it works 55% of the time. It works pretty well. You see, it worked
No
phenomenal.
skills. Check yourself, son. It didn't work nice. It's a divergence. Your boy is deep. Is the
That's it.
giveaway
Look,
done?
and you also see like
Be sure. No,
another
it's not done.
another confluence is it swept, it caused an SMT, but it also came into the last fair value gap of the previous of like this leg here, came into the last
Yeah.
fair value gap as well, you know, and we didn't close below that. And this technically would be in a little order block too. So it's like a bounce in a fair value gap off an order block SMT. So there's some good defense
Nice.
here. Yeah, but you remember I told you how like scary it looks? I'm going long when I have 4 big bearish candles.
Yeah. And where are you setting your stop? Just
10 points.
10 points? 10 points, yeah.
Here, this is what I do. I bring the stop to the bottom of it and I check. I always give it a bit of room. Like if it makes equal lows here, it's a 4-point stop. So I'm like 4 is too much. So if it goes equal lows, it'll tick below. It's 5, which is pretty close. So I just go to 10. If 10 is too close, I'll go to 15, but I never pass 15. So like in this market, it's pretty erratic and it's moving quick. So 10-point stop, go for a 3-1, and it worked. Yeah, it's nice. You went mute again. Muty
No.
McGee.
What I was gonna say, so that setup triggers because you have equal lows on ES, even though you're looking at NQ.
Wait, what?
Hey, PDH.
What do you mean equal lows on yes?
You said ES had an equal low at 1053 and 10
Not an
1050
equal
or
low, a swing
something like
low.
that. Oh, they both had equal lows,
No,
NQ
not
and
equal lows. They both had swing lows.
oh, it doesn't even matter. I thought you were comparing it to another internal low somewhere.
No, the lows have to be the same. If
I
there's a
got you. I
swing low
got
at
you.
1053 on NQ, my ES chart has
It,
to have a swing low as well at the exact same time. If the swing low on ES was at 1054 and NQ is at 1053, I'm not taking the trade. I
I
call it
got
my
you.
perfect SMT trade. Has to be
That's where
specific.
you.
Yeah, but that's where
Yeah, that's
rules
where
come
you.
in.
No, but I'm saying that's where you threw me off because you said they have to be the same, not the same time. So when I'm
Yeah.
saying the same, yeah, I'm thinking price, not time. They have to be both at the exact
Nice
same
to
time.
meet you, trading average after. Yeah, but that's what it is. That's why I call it the perfect SMT trade. There's a lot more rules behind it. Like for example, if when NQ swept, if ES made an equal low, I don't take the trade as well. You know, there's a lot of more rules behind it, and my trade is also has to be they have to be a bit clustered together. They got to be a bit close. Like 1053, 1057, it's 4 minutes after, so it works as well.
Are you getting sick?
Me no. I had a
I
little
thought I
itch in
heard
my throat
you.
for 2 days, but
Yeah.
it's gone.
Under 400, we have a huge sell. It's a long way away, though. Doesn't mean we can't get there. PDH, go give my son's channel a little bit of love.
Give me some love.
Let's get some subs and try and break out of the YouTube dungeon faster than the 15 months it took for me.
I'm gonna leave at 11:20, okay? My head is pounding
Whenever.
from my trap. I don't know why. Am I seeing you in the PM or you're taking it easy?
I don't know.
No rush, don't worry. If you're not there, I still have David.
Okay, yeah,
Like
so no do it with
absolutely no pressure.
David. Yeah, no do it with David. I'm pretty
Aw, I'm kidding.
at the getting.
I'm kidding.
Here, PDH. I'm giving the link. I'm giving the link. I'm giving the link. Go say hi to my boy. That's my boy. Got to figure out how to turn on your camera.
Yeah, we'll figure it
Hey,
out over the weekend.
You didn't say Christmas. You didn't say Christmas colors. It's terrible Christmas colors. This is the kind of Christmas when the kids cry.
What do you mean?
I have a lot of red again. PDH, you know PDH, Alex. It's OFT, only futures trading. It's the guy the first person that I made contact with when I started streaming. He's from Finland, who won the World Cup in hockey. I don't know. I'm guessing Finland.
I think they did, yeah.
If you're bringing it up, I'm guessing Finland.
I think they did.
Yep, and I'm guessing they won because why? The Canada and US weren't playing?
No, Canada did play. I think they got they lost versus Sweden. Or I don't know, let me go check.
Canada Finland was 2-4 in the semifinals.
Yeah, so Canada lost to Norway for third. And
Maybe we weren't trying. Maybe we were all sore from the playoffs.
We lost third place.
When you take a trade, does it show up on your trading view chart or no? You're taking it on another platform?
It showed up. This one showed up. Actually, I don't know if it showed up. I don't know which one I'm on. I think it showed up though. I wasn't really paying attention. I'm too nervous to click numbers and passwords and stuff like that. So I just leave my chart as is.
Yeah, we took you out. Not a good year for hockey. Not a good year to be a Canadian for hockey.
Did you hear we might, it's a long shot, but we might be getting Connor McDavid.
Wow, that would be cool. When you say we, you mean Montreal Canadiens?
Montreal Canadiens, yeah.
Yeah. Wow,
He came to Montreal and apparently somebody caught him visiting homes in Westmount.
No way.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Imagine. But the issue is we already have a captain, so what's gonna happen? I doubt you're giving a player like Connor McDavid the A on his jersey. That guy is a C or nothing, you know?
I know, he's legend. You take
Anyways,
it away
we'll see.
from Suzuki.
Yeah, I don't think he deserves it with the way he played.
No, I don't think he deserves it either. I never thought he deserves it, if anybody, Caulfield. But you know what? It's seniority. That's basically what it is. It's not all based on skill. It's seniority. Who's the team leader?
That too.
Who's
a good team lead too, who's able to speak up. Yeah, but you know what the issue is? Connor McDavid hustles and he wants it. Like, I was watching the playoffs and the first line, we were like barely moving. You know, like when somebody passes beside you, they're just sticking out their stick like they're playing versus a kid and they're acting like a cone for practice. What are you doing?
Not moving their feet.
Skate, man.
Coffee time. Sounds good, Teddy. Enjoy your coffee break.
The way of life. I have pickleball tonight.
I think there will be a big flush sometime.
Sometime, yeah, but maybe not today. But I guarantee you're going to see some news event that's going to cause us to crush for like a week or two because we need to reprice to an efficient market.
No guarantees.
Yeah, no guarantees.
Only opinions. No guarantees. Only opinions.
It's an opinion, but my opinion points to that there's going to be an event in the market or in the world or somewhat that is going to have to make us reprice a lot lower.
But it will be today, but we got from Prop Deal House. Here's the big thing. You said a lot lower and PDH said a big flush. A big flush for one person is 150 points. A big flush for another person, like Joker, was like 7,000 points.
Oh, I believe it should be at least.
Go
ahead. Sorry.
Oh, I was just saying, when I hear stuff like that, I need details. I need to know what a big flush means. Are you guys talking about, for let's say PDH? You're talking about going down to 29,000 or just just touching 30,000 and bouncing again, or
No,
just
no,
taking out.
I'm
Like,
talking about like until we get below 25K at least again.
big move like that, eh?
Well, look what we did. We did 100% in a month and a half.
I think those moves are hard to call. You know
No, no,
what?
of
Because
course
like
they're hard to
again,
call. It's gonna come at some random morning where we're just gonna say holy, and the whole day it's gonna be going down till 4 o'clock, and then you're gonna have
yeah,
Asia down 1,000 points, and you're gonna wake up and in 2-3 days we'll be losing a big percentage.
yeah. Because again, I mean, I'm a micro scalper and I'm scalping on like such quick time frames.
Yeah.
So when I use the word big flush, for me that's like 80 points.
Mm.
Because that's the world I'm working in. It's
Yeah.
like, the immediate next 5 minutes, next 10 minutes, next half an hour. So
Anyways, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go take some Advil, some water.
sounds good. Enjoy your Advil and your water.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Yep.
See ya. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Take care, everyone. Thank you.